First, the news headlines. Full dress rehearsal of India's 75th Republic Day parade held in Imphal. 26 contingents participate in parade. Two Kuki miscreants arrested from Thoubal, Bangla with arms, forcibly freed from police custody by women mob. And Assam Rifles seizes 1,205 bags of betel nuts in Kamjong district, naps 17 smugglers. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CELINA KHUMUJAM giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. The full dress rehearsal of 75th Republic Day of India was held in Imphal today. Altogether, 26 contingents took part in the March Past parade of the full dress rehearsal. The parade began from 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Parade Ground, marched through Kangla Fort and concluded at the Fast MR Parade Ground. The main Republic Day celebration in Manipur will be held inside Kangla. A mob of women from Churachandpur forcibly freed two cookies who were arrested along with arms from Thoubal, Bangla under Churachandpur police station yesterday during an operation by Combined Security Force. The women reportedly freed the two arrested from the police custody. A report called from the area said the combined team of security forces comprising 10 BSF, 16 Command Regiment and 193 CRPF nabbed the duo along with the arms during a checking operation at a mobile checked post in the buffer zone of Thoubal, Bangla from 6 to 11 a.m. yesterday. During the operation, the combined team stopped a Mahindra Bolero coming from Churachandpur to 𝐶𝐄𝐃 site. Upon checking the vehicle, they recovered a 9mm pistol with magazine, leading to the arrest of the two cookiemen. The arrested persons have been identified as James 𝐻𝐿, son of 𝐂𝐿 𝐻𝐿 of New Kaitel Manbi, and Saimin Len Dongal, son of Helthong of Tuibong. The Combined Security Forces team handed over the duo along with the arms to Churachandpur police station. However, a large number of women from Churachandpur reportedly stormed the police station and forcibly freed the two men. The police have registered an FIR against the women leaders and the two miscreants, the report said. Acting on a tip-off, Assam Rifles arrested 17 suspected smugglers along with 1,205 bags of betel nuts estimated to be worth of 11.566 crore rupees in the regional market from Kamjong district, which shares border with Myanmar, during the past 24 hours. The arrests and seizures were met due to lack of necessary valid documentation in an area in Kamjong district, officials said yesterday. Based on credible intelligence indicating the unlawful transportation of areca nuts and timber in the regions of Sangklok and Kangpat Center, a such operation was launched by the troopers of the Assam Rifles deployed there. During the operation, the Assam Rifles personnel successfully intercepted a total of 17 trucks that were involved in the illegal transportations of betel nuts. Upon thorough inspection, the search operation resulted in a significant seizure of 1,205 bags of areca or betel nuts, weighing approximately 96.4 tons and valued at 11.568 crore rupees. The seized goods were handed over to the Forest Bit Officer of Kamjong District, the officials aided. 𝐷-𝐃𝐀 MLAs have written to Home Minister Amit Shah urging for the Armed Forces Special Power Act AFSPA to be reimposed in the valley area of Manipur and for the Army and Assam Rifles to be given full powers to recover arms looted from police battalions. The MLAs claimed that the police and security forces have not yet been able to recover the arms looted from the police amours amid the ethnic violence in the state, as they had been restrained due to the withdrawal of AFSPA from valley areas. In the letter, the 𝐷-𝐃𝐀 MLAs mentioned that the Army and Assam Rifles don't have illegal sanction to enter most of the villages in the Imphal Valley for operation, as they are not classified disturbed areas since the lifting of the AFSPA there. In Imphal Valley, the central forces do not have power to make arrests or independently carry out operations, as they are deployed to assist the police, it continued. Situation in the state remained tense but was under control during the last 24 hours between January 23 and 24. As per a report from Manipur Police Control Room, search operations and area dominations were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of hill and valley districts. During the operation, 2 bunkers were destroyed by security forces at Dampi Range in Churachandpur district. On the other hand, movement of 228 and 173 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2, respectively, with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles, the report said. A total of 136 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, and the police detained 228 persons in connections with violations in different districts of the state, the report added. Let us take a quick break.
Welcome you all to UNAPA School Chanum, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
𝐷-𝐃𝐻 Development Organization gi ahanba tangkaki chahi ahum pigadaba merit scholarship lakliba February 2024 dagi piba haujaragani. Class 10 dagi master gi thak fauda leiriba mahairoi sing amadi technical line da tamliba mahairoi singna NSDO gi website dagi form download tawbiraga chahi asige February 10 fau gi manungda form thazinbiraknaba pauzenjari ba 𝐷-𝐃𝐻 Santakumar Singh, Secretary, 𝐷-𝐃𝐻 Development Organization, mobile number 7005-611-501, 9862825547 Natroga, 7005-408-341, email ID 𝐷-𝐃𝐻@gmail.com.
Introducing a newbie challenge at SS Career Solution. Admission open for Sunday and daily classes. In this program, you will be able to be a powerful communicator, speak with tonality, get the pleasing personality, enhance your beauty and lifestyle. Sense of honest and helping behaviors, table etiquettes, learn cleanliness and hygiene culture, art and craft as hobby, and culinary skills. Limited seats, so grab the opportunity. We also provide specialized classes on main topics like vocabularies, voice and accent, intonation, and grammar. For more details, contact SS Career Solution, 2nd floor, Gypsy Building, More Market, Palma Bazaar, Imphal. For more information, kindly do call us at 762-896-0947.
Welcome back. District Election Officer Thoubal observed the 14th National Voters' Day at election counting hall of the district today. Additional District Election Officer ADM Brahmachari Mayum Lokeshwar Sharma, AC to DC Thoubal, S. Surchandra graced the observance as the chief guest and the president respectively, while ERO 30 Lilong AC SDO Lilong Julia Kuraiza, ERO 31 Thoubal AC BDO Thoubal Yandrembam Ser, ERO 32 and 35 AC SDO Thoubal Mayengbam Ranjita, and ERO 33 and 34 AC BDO Wangjing Maibam Suranjoy attended the program as the guest of honors. Additionally, District Election Officer or ADM Thoubal B. Lokeshwar administered the National Voters' Day Pledge.
Voting da vote thadaba thadarise aduna vote thadaba is da mamangda manipur masupor gi influence singa yaw da bida isagi achumba decision na thadana bugi da makta koi ethical voting se matam gi oina adum promote da wala lai na sisu adum promote do jai.
The District Administration of Kamjong District commemorated the 14th National Voters' Day by organizing a program on the theme Nothing Like Voting, One Vote for Sure at the conference hall of SDO office Kamjong yesterday. The event saw the participation of a large number of young, newly eligible voters besides others. Welcoming the participants, SDO Kamjong Philip Joan called for an interactive session. During the program, DEO or DC Kamjong Rangnamsi Rang Peter administered the National Voters' Day Pledge and delivered an educative discourse on electoral roles and duties. As part of the program, a trivia contest open to all participants was also held. DEO or DC Rangnamai Rang Peter awarded a certificate of appreciation to BLO Sangam Chituni for outstanding contribution in the summary revision of electoral rolls and also handed over epic cards to newly enrolled voters. The program concluded with live demonstration and trial runs of the election day voting process of the participants. President Draupadi Murmu has said that the Election Commission of India plays an important role in the diversity of democracy. She said the Commission is playing an instrumental role in creating awareness among voters. She was speaking at the 14th National Voters' Day celebration in New Delhi today. The President said this year general elections will be conducted across the country, and during this mega polling exercise, 12 lakh polling booths will be set up in the country. She said there are over 96 crore voters in the country and Election Commission is taking every step to connect with the voters. She expressed confidence that the Election Commission will increase the role of technology during the elections. The Election Commission is today celebrating 14th National Voters' Day with the theme, Nothing Like Voting, One Vote for Sure. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Full dress rehearsal of India's 75 Republic Day Parade held in Imphal. 26 contingents participate in parade. 2 cookie miscreants arrested from Thorbung, Bangla with arms forcibly freed from police custody by women mob. And Assam Rifles seizes 1,205 bags of betel nuts in Kamjong district, naps 17 smugglers. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.